All right, well, good morning from Eastern Tennessee. I wanted to do a quick video for everyone's benefit here. I bought a brand new 2017 Forest River Hemisphere Light 311 QB. It's got the bunk room in the back, slide out in the living area, and two slide outs in the bunk room. We've got a Suburban hot water heater on here, and I got the trailer out here hooked up in the campground, and the hot water heater was not heating. I was having to use the gas water heater to get hot water, and I looked up a few videos myself, and none of them really addressed. I tried everything that those and all of those tests failed. So I was at a loss. I called Forest River and got in touch with the service guy, and he told me to double check that the thing is even plugged in. So right here below your stove, there's your oven. Right here below that is your panel. Actually, you can hear the furnace is on. It's a little chilly out today. I've already taken the screws off and everything. I was just about to close it back up after fixing it, and then realized I was going to try to help and see if I can help other people with their problems. So anyway, here's the issue. You take this little panel off, and there's your duct work, and right there is your water heater. Okay, there's your water heater, and you can see all the plumbing and whatnot. And then there's this big wad of electrical stuff going on down here. I'm no electrician myself, but I can see wires. There's your plug right there, and nothing is in it. So I dug around back here and found, there's your water pump back there. Not sure if you can see the water pump, but back here is a plug. So I am sorry for the motion sickness. So there we go. We should be plugged into hot water now. So just if you do happen to buy a brand new Forest River Hemisphere Light, or I guess any other camper, this probably apply to that too. If you're not getting juice to your coil outside, to your heating element, there's a good chance it's not even plugged in. All right, happy camping, guys. Thanks, bye.